Hi, we're back with another video. If you're new here, I'm Cece. It is currently Monday, October, I just looked my watch up, October something, and it's like 8 a.m. and we're doing a vegetarian, what I eat in a day. I try and avoid dairy, but sometimes I eat like a cheese or something. Obviously, first things first, we get our coffee, so let's go get that. This is the creamer. It's pumpkin spice, but it has no flavor. I would not recommend it. I'm just using it till it's finished. This is it. Okay, so you have to put a lot in because you can't taste it. Like, it's a lot, but also I do intuitive eating and I'm not hungry yet, so I'm not gonna eat breakfast yet, but when I can feel myself being hungry, I'm gonna eat. Food tastes better when you're hungry, so eat when you're hungry. Okay. Breakfast time. This is like the Silk almond milk yogurt. I'm really excited. I've never tried it. I'm only gonna have like half because I know it has a lot of sugar in it. 16 grams, that's not good. So let me show you and what I'm gonna make with this. Ready? Berries. So I'm gonna do some of those. They're so good. And then blueberries. Oh my god. Not done yet though. We're gonna do half a banana. And then I like to cut it, and you use the banana as the cutting board, so you just go like that. Oh, you can't even see. It looks like shit. For a crunch, I have these raw almonds. Sorry. And I'm just gonna sprinkle them in. This is a good alternative to granola because granola has a lot of sugar in it, but these, they taste like granola, but they're healthier for you. And then lastly, I'm gonna add chia seeds and flax seeds. I'll show you. Yum. I'm doing like this, a scoop of chia seeds. And then flax seeds. Voila, that's it. So if you have fresh fruit at your house, I recommend making this. I'm so excited to eat it. When you turn the sink off. For snack, I have roasted red pepper hummus, carrots that I'm gonna dip in it, and these chips from Trader Joe's. I don't know what Valerie's saying, but this is my snack. A chip, then a carrot. I'm now trying this guacamole that my dad bought from the store, but you're not supposed to buy guacamole from the store because it has preservatives in it, but I'm just gonna try it. But
is it good?
It's good. I do not recommend buying guacamole from the store. I recommend making it yourself because it's not good for you. But now, 2 seconds later, I'm snacking on the Shrek mix. Mostly picking out the chocolate. And then, like everyone else in the world, I drink my water during the day. I probably drink like 3 of these a day. It's not helping with my skin because my skin, you can see all the acne is really bad, but it makes me feel better and it makes me perform better in sports. I'm just slicing cucumbers for a cucumber and hummus sandwich. I have to voice this over because my brother was watching TV at full blast, but I'm just spreading the same hummus from before on a half a piece of Ezekiel bread, and then I just place some cucumbers on top, and boom. Very good. I'm actually so mad. I forgot to film my dinner, which, like, what the fuck? It's a what I eat in a day, and I didn't film my dinner. But I actually had, like, I posted this in a different video. I had tacos, which I always have. They were pretty good. I ate a lot of guacamole and chips. I just ate a lot. Food, baby. So I just ended up having some tea. I didn't think that was interesting enough to film. So that will be all for my what I eat today. I'm sorry I didn't film my dinner. So annoying, but I love you, and subscribe for more vegan, vegetarian recipes and content. And I love you so much. I will see you in my next video.